Hi, this is Mike. And while I've got a winch on the front of my Tacoma here, we don't really use it that often, but when I do use it, I like to use a soft shackle like this because it's strong and light and frankly a lot safer than a bow shackle like this, which is made out of metal and it's heavy and it's clunky and frankly it's pretty ugly. Now if you want to use a soft shackle on a recovery point, you need a recovery point that's designed for it, like this one by a company called 4122. This goes in my receiver hitch. It's got this nice big opening here, and I can take the soft shackle and I can slide it right in and hook it up, cinch it down, and because it's got these nice round edges here, it's not going to cut or bite into the soft shackle at all, and I can pull from it, recover from it, no problem whatsoever. So I have this nice winch bumper here from Warren, and it has these two nice recovery points right here on the front. Problem is it's not designed for a soft shackle, it's designed for one of these bow shackles. So you put the shackle through like that and you tighten it down and you recover from that. It doesn't really work for the soft shackle because it's right angle edges here. This is a sharp edge. If you were to put this in here, which you certainly could do, thread it through and put it on, this edge right here is gonna it's gonna abrade on this corner right here. You probably cut this, compromise it. You might get one pull out of it, but you won't get many. So we're just gonna take a die grinder to this and see how that works. Well, I think that went pretty well. The edges of the recovery points are now all nice and smooth, and I can use my soft shackles without fear of cutting them or breaking them or compromising them in any way. This will come in really handy the next time we pretend to get this thing stuck for a hairy situations video. Let me know what you think of this. Would you take a die grinder to a brand new bumper like this? Think that's a bad idea? You think I've compromised something? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching and happy trails.